Welcome back to the Little Hands on Rhythm tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about time signatures and bar lines. The time signature is put in place to evenly set up the timing of a piece of music and give performers an idea of the pulse of the music before starting to play. It does this using two vertically aligned numbers. The top number tells us how many beats or numbers in each bar. The bottom number represents what type of note or note value is one beat. When the bottom number is 4, it is the quarter note that is counted as one beat. All the time signatures in the Little Hands on Rhythm primer kit have a 4 as the bottom number, and so the quarter note will be counted as one beat or pulse. There are questions in the time signature box to help the student remember the meaning of each number. Let's start with the 2/4 time signature by placing it in the time signature box and placing the basic beat on the rhythm board. Students can choose which basic beat represents the time signature. The basic beat is a visual representation of the time signature. We can add the beat counters to reinforce a 2/4 note pulse. Now we make our bars of music using our bar lines. We place the bar lines between the basic beats to show there are 2 beats or numbers per bar, noticing that the black double bar line is placed at the end of the last bar to show the music has ended. We clap and count the basic beat to reinforce its connection with the time signature. You can repeat this exercise using the 3/4 and 4/4 time signatures. This is where we move into our next lesson topic, the difference between a beat and a rhythm.